Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine, and today we are going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. I love to subscribe to the Boxycharm subscription service. I get the Boxycharm Base Box, and I also subscribe to the Boxycharm Premium Box. So today I have both of them, and I'm going to show you what I got in both of them. I am going to preface this by saying that I was really excited this month about the Boxycharm Base Box. There was a spoiler on Instagram about a Natasha Denona, kind of an original, smaller palette that she was going to be releasing in the Boxycharm Base Box. And they said that the majority of the Base Box people would be receiving that palette. And of course, I didn't get it. So I'm kind of bummed about that, but let's go ahead and see what I did get. Okay, so let's look at the Boxycharm Base Box. So this is the box that it comes in. It's a little bit smaller than the Premium Box. And there's always a little card with a theme, and the theme this month is Harvest. And they give you a little explanation of the products on the other side. They also came with a coupon for Natasha Denona. And I don't know if they gave it to the people who didn't get the Natasha Denona or not, but the problem is that that little palette is actually not available. So I wish I'd gotten it. That's going to be a theme. I wish I'd gotten that palette. So let's look and see what I did get. I got a lot of skincare in this box, which is very surprising because normally I get more makeup than skincare. But this is one of the first products I got from 111 Skin or 31 Skin. I'm not sure how they say that, but this is their hyaluronic acid aqua booster, and it is $135. So it is a really nice product, and this is a nice company. And it is just a hyaluronic acid serum, great for hydration. So that is nice. The next thing is, and this is actually a new launch, but it's from Dr. Brandt, which is another good skincare company. There it goes. So this is from Dr. Brandt, and it is another great skincare company, and it is a new launch, and the retail price is $40, and it is an antioxidant spray toner that has green tea and white tea, which is very nice. So that I will definitely use that. That's a great skincare product. The next product was actually the choice product that I picked, and it was from Jouer, and it is their lip enhancer, and it is basically a nice lip balm. And its value is $17. Then another skincare. This is so odd. I mean, really everything I've gotten has been skincare. Is from Yensa, and this is their pumpkin turmeric mask, and this is a $45 value, and it is a 2-in-1 mask that is infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face. So I always love getting a mask. I think that's wonderful, so I will look forward to trying that out. And then from Bodyography, and I already took these out, it was an eye pencil duo, and so there is a black and a brown, and they're pencils that you have to sharpen, and those are the shades. If I can get it to focus, there it goes. Brown on the top, black on the bottom, and those are always nice to have. So that is everything in the box. Again, I think I would have been so excited if I had just gotten that Natasha Denona palette in it, but I didn't. I just have to let it go, but it's tough. All right, let's talk about the Boxycharm Premium Box. All right, the Boxycharm Premium Box is bigger. And again, same kind of an idea, card that says Harvest and all the different products on the other side. The first product is, and it came in a box, but I took it out. It's from Grown Alchemist. And this product retails for $125. I do know they sell this at, I think, Nordstrom and Neiman Marcus. And it is the Detox Night Cream, Peptide-3 Echinacea and Reishi Extract. So nice little nighttime moisturizer, which will be fun to use. And obviously this is a very high-end skincare product. But again, skincare. Next was my choice product. And I picked the Ilia. It's called the Unveiled Artistry Palette. And I really do think this is quite a pretty palette. I have not played with it yet, but very pretty neutral palette, but then look at that pretty pop of like the burgundy and then the purple on this end. And it's all mattes on the top and then all shimmers on the bottom. I don't know anything about Illamasqua's formula, but I'm looking forward to trying that. So I'm excited. And again, that was the choice product and that retailed for $50. Next is Ilia Beauty, which I do like. I have not really tried anything from Ilia, but they are at Sephora. They're a clean beauty brand and they have this Color Block Impact lipstick. This retails for $28 and this color is Rosette. And it looks like a really pretty, it's a cooler pinky rose shade. I'll show you right there. But very pretty. And I definitely will wear this and look forward to wearing this. So that's good. Next is kind of a strange thing. It's this cosmetics, and it came like in a little packaging like this. Cosmetics skincare brush set. And this has 2 brushes. This is a new launch and this retails for $25. So this one here is like super soft, but it has little bumps on it and you're supposed to use it to cleanse your face really well. It could be kind of an interesting thing. And then I believe this one is for masks and applying masks. And this is like a silicone paddle that you could put your mask on with, which could be nice. So I don't have anything like this, so it's always nice to get something like that I don't think I would buy for myself. Next is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Shadow. Comes like this. This retails for $20. The color I got is called Caffeine Queen. And when you look at it, you're like, very, very dark. But then I swatched this and I was kind of impressed with what the color is. It's very different when you swatch it. You can see it's got like a nice reflect. It's got some brown, some plum, little pink. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff going on in there. So I actually am looking forward to maybe doing kind of a one and done eyeshadow look with just this Block Party eyeshadow from Dose of Colors. And then the last thing was the Real Her Lip Liner Duo. And you get 2. You get one in Deep Nude and one in True Red. So I'll go ahead and swatch this for you too. So Deep Nude. These are very creamy, I will say that. And then the True Red, I actually think could be gorgeous just on its own for a holiday party. So the top is the red and the bottom is the Deep Nude. And I think that red could be just beautiful all over the lips with maybe a champagne-y kind of gloss or just even a clear gloss. It would be so pretty for the holidays. So I always love having something like that because I normally wouldn't go out and buy that for myself. So that's a really great product to have as well. So that's everything. That is the premium box. That is the base box. My main complaint, of course, I'll say it again, is that I didn't get that Natasha Denona. I was really hoping to get that. I actually was already kind of planning looks in my head. And so what are you going to do? I do know that next month, I'm very excited. I'll do another unboxing next month. The choices for the December box were amazing. They had actual Viseart matte palettes, and I'm very excited about those. So overall, I love getting Boxycharm. I love that they have a mix of skincare and a mix of makeup. I feel like I'm pretty heavy skincare now this month, but and hopefully I'll get back to some more makeup. But overall, I think Boxycharm is a great experience. And if you're interested in makeup and skincare, it's a really fun way to kind of surprise yourself every month. As always, this video is not sponsored, and I will always let you know if that ever is the case. I buy these Boxycharm subscriptions myself and review them for you guys. If you have any questions about the Boxycharm, please let me know and I'll try to find the answer or get the answer to you. I will put some of the breakdown of the prices of the base, premium, and the Luxe box. And actually, just so you know, next month I did actually decided to get the Luxe box, which replaces one of your base box for that month. So it's kind of confusing, but I will be talking about the premium and the Luxe box next month. I would love it if you would subscribe. We are here talking about makeup and skincare and all things that are fun and help us to feel good and more confident. And I'd love to see you next time. Bye.